Hi everyone. People asked about that whether acupuncture works or not really. So it is very complicated question, but the simple answer is yes, it really works. Why these questions are evolved from the people? Because acupuncture is a very affordable treatment protocol. Very simple protocols to follow that, and it is not having any drug or injections to eat or are following some procedures in home. So it is very simple method. So the people asked about whether it really works or not. Some people thought like it is just a therapeutical method. It is just recover the knee joint pains and other tissue pains like that. It really heals the major diseases like fatty liver, spleen deficiencies, kidney stones, uterus problem, and like polycystic ovarian diseases and fibroids and other symptoms, infertility, diabetes, and even much more diseases can be healed by the acupuncture. Why the term we use heal means it accumulates the body to heal itself spontaneously. We use the term not cure but healing. Cure means somewhat we insist or we give some tablets or food or some chemical reactions to the human body and it recovers from the diseases. Like we eat the pills or tablets or injections and it goes to the body, it digests and it is aggravated and it kills the pathogens like virus, bacteria and also the needle really works inside the body to accumulate the internal organ which is caused for the diseases. Likewise, we need to understand the science behind that is very essential. In the school studies itself, we studied about diseases is just caused by some viruses or pathogens like that, and that viruses can be killed by some tablets, pills, or some other drugs like that. So we imagined if the disease arised to the human, then it can only controlled by the pills and drugs only. We have the major organ system which is called as a Zang Fu in the Chinese terminology. Zang Fu means organ system. Zang means solid organs. Fu means hollow organs. Hollow organs means stomach, gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine. Like these organs are hollow. These are not having a solid elements. These all are tubular functional organs. Solid organs means liver, kidney, spleen, all these having a solid tissues in itself. So we called as Zang Fu system. So in this system, each and every organ have some charges or electrical energy. So by using these electrical energy and voltages, we heal the organ by using the organ itself. So the problem arises to your body like the liver symptoms. If the spleen have a higher voltage or higher electricity, we connect the spleen and liver, then the spleen cures the liver. At certain time or a certain specific period, the liver completely cures itself by using the energy of spleen. So it is amazing theory. So we cannot even imagine how the disease arises from the liver and also healed by the spleen. So it is more complicated theory to understand the acupuncture because it is working based on the energy method. This is not the substance based method. The other medical systems are working based on the drugs substance based. Substance based means any drug, any injection or any chemical substances to make the reaction. For example, we have two equipments, TV and transformer. Transformer is placed on the roadsides. It is having a higher voltage that cannot be directly connected to the television. Television is only having the lower voltage, lower current capacity. So we need to interconnect between the TV and higher voltage equipment as a transformer. So if the TV having some problems of lower voltage means, then the transformer is needed to give the output voltage as a higher voltage. Then the TV will be work. If the voltage from the transformer is too high, then the TV will be turned off spontaneously with the support of some voltage regulating elements in the TV itself. So the TV is not ready to function because it is affected by the higher voltage. So this is a concept how the internal organs will work. The liver, spleen, kidney, lungs, urinary bladder, large intestine, small intestine, heart, pericardium, all these organs are interconnected. When one organ is affected by any pathogens or any external actions or any psychological actions, that organ will be affected by these pathogens, then it have a lower voltage, then it has a lower energy. Then the higher voltage charges are needed to move to the lower energy organ. Now how to connect these two organs? That is acupuncture helps. We put the needle towards the channels of the human body. That channels connects the two organs like spleen to kidney, liver to lungs, large intestine to kidney, urinary bladder to spleen. Likewise, these channels are existed in the body with the reference of Chinese theory. We implement or we choose the point that is really having the problem in that body, and we interconnect the two organs by using the acupuncture needle and the channel. Here, why some points or some treatments won't work? That means the diagnosis is the problem. We need to find which organ is like a transformer, which organ is like a television. Some practitioners are not efficient in choosing the transformer and television. They connect the channels with the higher energy organs to higher energy organ, or sometimes lower energy organ to lower energy organ. That is the reason sometimes acupuncture won't work. But if the diagnosis is properly done by the practitioner, done by the acupuncture practitioner, then the treatment will be work really good, really amazing. It really helps to you and heals the patients from any of the diseases. So acupuncture have its own limitations because of the physiological thing. Each and every treatment method have some limitations. In this line, acupuncture also having some limitations. So we no need to go for that treatment. By the experience, the practitioner says to you, these diseases cannot be worked for acupuncture. These diseases can be done by the acupuncture practitioner. So the acupuncture practitioner should explain about whether it works or not. So this is how this system works and heals the patient. This is having a vast science to heal the human body and their diseases. So use the acupuncture wisely and be healthy. Lead a happy life. Thank you.